This is Get Lost into Cycling, and today I will show you how to install this cage. Today I will show you how to replace the cage from the derailleur. It's a Shimano ultegra, and this system unlocks with this screw over here. So all we need is a torque wrench number 10. Get the screw out. Lift the cage from the derailleur. Unload the spring clockwise, and now it's separate from each other. Get off the cap. And also the spring. Replace the spring on the new cage. Put the cap back in place. And go anti-clockwise. Put screw back. Job done. That's all it takes.